sleeping. Today is his birthday, and I will make his favorite, pancakes! Grandma's recipe. What do we need? Flour, milk, eggs, and sugar. Easy! The recipe says a little flour. Oops, a lot of flour. Safe. How much milk? More. How many eggs? 7, 8, 9, 10. More is better. Barney is big. Grandma's super yeast. A little bit, and a little bit more. Grow, little pancake. Ooh, it is growing. Uh-oh. Stop, Pancake! That is too much! I only wanted one.
Barney?
Good morning. Barney, I made a small mistake. A big small mistake.
Happy birthday.
We can fix this. We need pans. Big pans. Barney, you are a genius. Your pot is big. My cup is little.
Huh?
But a bit helps. Flip, catch, flip, catch. Barney, you are amazing. The batter is escaping. Faster, Barney, faster. Follow that pancake. Stop, pancake. Ha, caught you. Right in the pan. Hello, everyone. We need help, and we have a lot of batter. Who likes pancakes? Me! Pour, flip, catch, jam. Everybody flips. We are a pancake team. 200, that is too many pancakes for two. Too many for two, but not too many for everyone. Pancake party! Here you are. And for you.
More, please.
I almost forgot the most important one. Just one, the best one. Happy birthday, Barney. With a lot of love.
For me?
You made this for me? Next year, I will make a cake! A big one! The puddles were so good today! Oops, laundry day. White's here, colors there. Dirty in, clean out. Barney, you are so tired. Rest, Barney. You wash every day, so today I wash. Hello, wash barrel. I am Pia. Today, W wash. Close in the top, crank on the side. Easy. White's here, colors there. Together is faster. You too, little bandana. Everybody washes. The box says a little soap, And a little bit more. Wash, wash, wash. Clean, clean, clean. Ooh, pretty. A sock in a bubble. Wait. Why is it... Too much soap! Too many bubbles! Stop washing!
Barney?
You look very fancy. Barney, I made a small mistake. A foamy big mistake. I wanted you to rest. Barney, look! A bubble tornado! And it has our laundry! It is raining socks and shirts and...
Good morning.
Hello again, brave chicken.
Oh?
We can fix this. We need baskets. Big baskets. Team Laundry, go! Catch! Jump! Catch! 3 socks! I am the sock champion! Everything is pink! Red bandana plus white clothes makes pink.
Oh.
Whose hat is this?
It is my hat!
And whose are these?
Mine, dear. My best ones.
Sort. Soap, a little. Scrub, rinse. Whites here, colors there. I know it now. Hang the wet clothes in the sun. Look, our street has every color now, even pink. Rest, Barney. The clothes are drying, and so are you. Oh no, his favorite, his old one. Maybe he likes pink? But it is pink now. I am sorry, Barney. With love, your favorite color is US.
Fold.
Fold. Perfect. Clean, dry, done! Done! Barney, next week, I will paint the house.